Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are taking good care of yourself. So students, recently we have completed all the exercise of chapter number 4, multiplication and division. But at the last of the chapter there is a review exercise, and you all know this is the summary of the chapter. So in order to understand the concepts of the chapter more effectively, today we are going to solve some questions from the review exercise, which is very helpful for us to understand the concept of the chapter very well. Okay, so let us start with the question number first. So students, we will start our today's concept with question number first of review exercise. What is the question? Find the product. We have earlier discussed the result we will get after the multiplication is called the product, and we have to find the product of 16,172 by 312. Okay, so first of all we will arrange the numbers vertically, means 16,172 multiplied by 312. So the number which we want to multiply is called the multiplicand. It means 16,172 is our multiplicand and 312 is our multiplier. Okay. So students, we will start our multiplication from the ones place digit of the multiplier, and we will multiply this digit by all the above digit one by one from their ones place. Okay. So let us start. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. So we will write only 4 here, and 1 will be added as carry to the next place. 2 1s are 2 and 1 is carry. So we will write here 3. 2 6s are 12. So we will write 2 and 1 will be added as carry to the next place. 2 1s are 2 and 1 carry is 3. Now come to the next digit, which is on the tens place. So we will start our multiplication from the tens place. So first of all we will put a 0 right here. Now start. 1 2s are 2, 1 7s are 7, 1 1s are 1, 1 6s are 6, and 1 1s are 1. Now come to the next digit, which is on 100 place. So we will start from the 100 place. So first of all we will put 2 zeros right here. Now start. 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. So we will write only 1 here, and 2 will be added as carry to the next place. 3 1s are 3 plus 2 carry is 5. 3 6s are 18. So we will write only 8 here, and 1 will be added as carry to the next place. 3 1s are 3 and 1 is carry 4. Now add all the numbers. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 7 is 10 and 6 16. So we will write only 6 here, and 1 will be added as carry to the next place. 2 and 1 carry is 3, 1 4 and 1 5. Next 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 5 is 14. So we will write 4 here, and 1 will be added as carry to the next place. 1 8 9 and 1 carry is 10. So we will write 0 of the 10, and 1 will be added as carry to the next place, and 4 1 5. So what is the product we get? 50,45,664. Thus 16,172 by 312, and our product is 50,45,664. Okay. Students, our next question is find the quotient and remainder. Here we have two numbers, 8,25,910, and we have to divide this number by 245. In our previous videos we have earlier discussed that the number which is going to be divided is called the dividend, and the number by which we divide the dividend is called the divisor. So 245 is our divisor, and 8,25,910 is our dividend. We will divide the numbers by the long division method, and first of all we have to make a box like this, and we will put the dividend inside the box, 8,25,910 inside the box, and divisor 245 outside the box. Okay. Now here we have 3 digits in our divisor. So we will take first 3 digits from the dividend, and what is the number we get? 825. Always remember one thing, the number we take from the dividend is always greater than the divisor. Okay. Now we have to divide 825 by 245. So here we have to find a product from the table of 245 which is either smaller than or equal to 825. Students, now we will assume the table of 245 for getting a product which is nearly smaller than or equal to 825. So let us start the assumption of table. So 245 if multiplied by 1, what is the product we will get? 245, which is smaller than 825. Now try to the next number, 245 multiplied by 2, so we will get 490, which is also a smaller product than 825. Now we will again multiply 245 by 3. So what is the product we will get? 735, which is also smaller than 825. Now assume to the next number, 245 multiplied by 4, and the product is 980, which is greater than 825. So we will take one step before. Okay, so here we will take the table 3 times, and the product 735 will be written below to 825. Okay, now subtract the numbers. 5 minus 5 is 0, 12 minus 3 is 9, 7 minus 7 is 0. Now here we have 90, which is smaller than 245. So we will take and digit from the above. And what is the number here? 909. Okay, so we will again start assuming the table of 245. And 245 by 1 is 245, which is smaller than 990. Come to the next step, 245 by 2 is 490, which is also smaller than 990. Come to the next step, 245 by 3 is 735, which is also smaller than 909. Come to the next step, 245 by 4, which is 980. So 980 is greater than 909. So we do not take 245 by 4 because it is 980 and 980 is greater than 909. So we will take one step before. Okay, so 245 3s are. So we will take 245 by 3. What is the product? 735. Okay, now subtract the numbers. 9 minus 5 is 4, 10 minus 3 is 7, 8 minus 7 is 1. Okay, now what is the number? Here 174, which is smaller than 245. So we will take one digit from above. Now what we have the number? 1741. We will again start assuming the table of 245 for getting the product which is smaller than or equal to 1741. Now let us start the assumption. 245 4s are 980, 245 5s are 1225, which is smaller than 1741. 245 by 6 is 1470. 245 by 7 is 1750. 245 by 8 is 1960, which is greater than 1741. So we will take the above step. Okay, 245 by 7, 1715. So we will take 7 times here. 1750. Okay. Now subtract the numbers. 11 minus 5 is 6. 3 minus 1 is 2. 7 minus 7 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now here we take 0 from the above. The number will become 260. Now we will count 245 by 1. So 245 minus 260. Okay. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. 0. 0. Now here 15 is smaller than 245. and no number is left here. So we will stop our division right here. Okay, and after the division, the number left below is called the remainder, and the number we obtained above is called the quotient. Okay, question number 3 is a word problem question. A factory can produce 34,257 pencils per week. Okay, how many pencils will it produce in 2 years? We earlier discussed we will solve a word problem question in some steps. So our first step is pencils produced by a factory per week, which we have already given in the question. So the number of pencils produced in week 34,257. Now we have to find the production of 2 years. Okay. So first of all, we will convert the number of years into the weeks. So 1 year is equal to 52 weeks. So 2 years is equal to 52 into 2, 104 weeks. Now, to finding the number of pencils in 2 years, we will multiply 34,257, the production of pencils per week, by 104, the total number of weeks. Okay. Here we have the multiplication, 34,257 by 104. Now, so what is the product we get? 35,62,728. It means the number of pencils produced by a factory in 2 years is 35,62,728. So our answer is pencils produced in 2 years is 35,62,728. Okay. I hope all of you understand the concept of the review exercise very well, and the remaining question of the exercise will be given by the assignments, and all of you have to do it very carefully. Okay, thank you.